something special. And what I need everybody to do is just sit back. Yeah, just let the beat touch you. Let the beat move you. Let the beat rush you. Let the beat move you. Yeah. Rest in peace, man. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. It was a time in which I used to go and run on the block. Had to do my own thing, wanted to hold my own block. But somehow, sometimes, I hit the wall and I changed. Yeah, it's strange, but I had to turn away from the game. Cause I had to sit and watch some of my peers fall down. Some got left in the dirt, some skipped out of town. Some created felonies and that just wasn't for me. So I stopped drinking liquor, stopped burning the trees. Started thinking, gotta step up and provide for myself. Cause I know the devil's lurking, trying to damage my health. And it hit me hard when I heard that my man Matt died. It was overwhelming, couldn't hold the tears from my eyes. And now I think of how we need to bring an air of peace. Stop the rape, stop the drugs, stop the murdering sprees. But I can't, it's just too much and I'm only so big. It's just me against the world, all alone in this game. Come on, yeah. We all have our own struggles, gotta hold on, wait. And we'll do what it takes to be at the front gate. You can't wait, this ain't a game, homie. Life ain't a fake, get it straight. Somebody's gonna lose their life today.
That's
get
right.
It straight. Get it straight. It ain't about who's got what or who did what to get this. It's about the good things. What are we teaching our kids? No child at the age of 9 should be smoking on herb. No only daughter should be pregnant, then kicked out to the curb. No one should have to worry about when it might be their turn. No one should see their mother die and all these feelings they burn. They make us change up our ways and put a wall around the heart. Only if you can reach it. And if you try, it will break you apart. It's funny cause we created these problems and we complain the government ain't doing nothing to solve them. This is our fault. We had to fix what we messed up. Let's get it together. America, it's time to step up. We all have our own struggles, gotta hold on, wait. And we'll do what it takes to be at the front gate. You can't wait, this ain't a game, homie. Life ain't a fake. Get it straight, somebody's gonna lose their life today. Get it straight, get it straight. And I suggest you take a step back and look at yourself. Make a decision, homie, where you going, heaven or hell. I know sometimes it seems stressful, you get caught up in things, but ain't nothing you can make it through, just follow your dreams. Cause if we're lucky, then we'll get to see the days when we're old. When you see the face of God, you just turn into stone. Keep writing paragraphs, that's how the stories get told. After we go, raise our soul when our body gets cold. The hidden treasure can't be found, secrets never unfold. Sit and reminisce, envision what the future can hold. It's time to change the world, this can't be the end of the road. This is a war zone, we might not get to watch as the young ones grow. We gotta hold on, wait, and we'll do what it takes to be at the front gate. You can't wait, this ain't a game, homie. Life ain't a fake, get it straight. Somebody's gonna lose their life today. And I suggest you take a step back and look at yourself. Make a decision, homie, where you going, heaven or hell. I know sometimes it seems stressful, you get caught up in things, but ain't nothing you can't make it through. Just follow your dreams, follow your dreams. Dreams, dreams, dreams.